The following is brought to you by Frontdoor, the one-stop home repair and maintenance app. Download for free today.
Gas valves can vary in location, shape, and number depending on the age of your house. Learning the location of your shutoff valve could save your life. If you don't know where your gas valve is, check a street side valve next to the gas meter. This is the main shutoff point. A house side valve located inside your house where the pipe enters your home. This ball valve should be attached to a black iron pipe. High pressure systems, newer homes with high pressure gas systems have gas shutoff valves located near the water heater or furnace. All gas appliances should have a shutoff within 6 feet and be easily accessible. Once located, it is recommended that you label them because in the event of repairs, installation, or emergencies, you'll want to be able to stop the flow of gas to your appliances quickly.
Need help? Download the Frontdoor app today and get one free video chat with a home repair expert.